Hello friends! Today we're taking a look at the Toyota Proace Max 2.2 BlueHDi, the largest commercial van in Toyota's lineup, developed in cooperation with Stellantis. Under the hood is a 2.2-liter turbo diesel engine producing 120 horsepower and around 320 newton-meters of torque. Power is delivered to the front wheels through a 6-speed manual transmission. The L2H2 version is over 5.4 meters long and offers a cargo compartment with a capacity of up to 12 cubic meters, while the payload exceeds 1.3 tons. Inside, the van feels more like a modern passenger car than a traditional work vehicle. It features a digital instrument cluster, a large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as advanced safety technologies, including automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and traffic sign recognition. Despite its impressive size, the Proace Max is surprisingly easy to maneuver and provides excellent visibility, making it ideal for city driving. Thanks to its shared Stellantis platform, spare parts and service are widely available across Europe. Toyota also offers one of the longest warranty programs for commercial vehicles, providing coverage for up to 10 years when serviced according to the manufacturer's conditions. The Toyota Proace Max is a spacious, economical, and modern van built for everyday work without compromise. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy automotive content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.